Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at NASDAQ 100 for the next day. That is 8th of March. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. I mean, we all know the movements for this NASDAQ 100, right? This was a massive movement, right? NASDAQ 100 literally gave us a crazy movement, right? So is this movement over? Well, personally, I don't think this movement was over. I'll be expecting more drop, but it just depends on how the drop will actually play out and when the entry point, will be. So, if in case you are very much interested in it, I'm going to put a link to my Patreon channel, right? The link to my Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Check the comment section. Once you check the comment section, you will become follow you will just subscribe. You are going to get a trade, like I'm going to show you an entry point on NASDAQ 100, especially if you want to take it. Now, these are a couple of the trade we actually took yesterday. I'm going to put a link to the trade we actually took yesterday, and one of those trade we actually had yesterday and today within March 6 and 7 is gold. We actually had about 200 plus pips on gold, right? So we still have some trade that is still going on our US 30. If you check my Patreon channel, you'll be able to see it. Or you are still have some trade that is still going that are currently on profits right now. So once you become my Patreon subscriber, I can assure you you're going to get that trade, and it is not just any trade, high probability trade. You are going to win this trade. That is a sure thing. You can give it a try. If after a month you are not comfortable with the service that I've promised you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. With just 20 years, you are going to get a better trade from me. That will be in the comment section. But for right now, this NASDAQ 100, I think a correction will play out. So once this correction play out, then I'm going to give an update if NASDAQ 100 will go bullish or if it's actually drop. Basically, it just depends on how this NASDAQ 100 will play. We can't really predict it, but with time, I'll be able to I'll be able to show you an entry point and where we should take our profits. And I can tell you it is a high probability trade that I'm going to give you. So once you are really interested in this, my link to my Patreon channel is in the comment section. Sign up and you'll get it. I mean, when you take a look at my NASDAQ 100, I mean, right, you will see it on my weekly time frame when I predicted that NASDAQ 100 will actually drop, and guess what? We've gotten that drop. Some channels are actually saying NASDAQ 100 will go bullish. Some are, a lot of were saying bullish. I think it is only my channel that actually predicted that we'll be having a bearish move, and guess what? We've gotten that drop. So right now, the price is either going to be playing out one way, correction or a push up. Basically, I'm going to be giving out more steps and entry of this trade on my Patreon channel. Once you become my Patreon subscriber, you will get access to this exclusive trade on NASDAQ 100 I'm going to share out.